Hey, what's up, ladies and gents? In today's episode, we're going to be reviewing the one, the only, Geology. I've seen a lot of people get sponsored by them, so I decided to buy myself some. And as you guys may know, I do have some acne, so I say, you know what, let's give it a try. So I did get the trial packet on, I think it was Veterans Day, I believe. So they were having a sale, so I bought it on sale for $25, I think, around there, 25, 28. So the first thing that caught my eye in this packet was that they gave us 2 cards. This is just pretty much explaining what you wanna, if you got any questions, what to do, and what to do after your trial. The thing I liked about this company right now is that it's not a subscription-based option. You get 2 options if you want to pay once whenever it runs out, or just a subscription. And if this does work out for me, I'll just buy every time I need to and not do the subscription, obviously. That's just my idea, I guess you could say. Here you go. And then on the other side, it has a morning routine and a night routine. When I first started, I didn't know what to do, and I just flipped the paper, and I realized that it gave you instructions right here, as you can see. And for the night cream, since it has retinol, I have used that before, but it pretty much explains to you in full detail what to do for the first week, every other night. So I've been doing that. And as of right now, today is Friday, July 2nd. And I started doing this Tuesday, so almost done with my first week. Night routine you get right here. And for regimen 14 is what I got from them. And this paper just explains to you all the ingredients that it has on your regimen. And then on the other side, it pretty much just tells you what kind of SPF it has, the retinol, all these, the salicylic acid, peptides. I'm really bad at big words like this. Oh, that is something weird. A little FYI, the one I used for my, I guess, lotion cream, face lotion, has an SPF of, I believe, 50. So it does have a less basic sun protection. So that's kind of something to take notice of, I guess you could say. All right, but let's continue with the others. Oh, there goes the paper. All right, so we got the Everyday Geology face wash, as you can see right here. It tells you how to apply it. And you get 2 of these if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is this one right here, Everyday Face Wash. You get 2 of these, and they're really small bottles, as you can see. I mean, I guess they are trial, so. And then with that, you get your Vital Morning Face Cream. You put this on every day, and you do the face wash morning and night. And then for the Repairing Night Cream, you only do this for the first week every other night. So for example, yesterday I put it on, last night I put it on, but tonight I won't be putting it on. And then we finally get the Nourishing Eye Cream. To be honest, I've never used any eye cream, but a little focus. But now that I've been using it for this past week, I can see that my eye bags, if that's what they're called, are starting to go away little by little. So I'm pretty surprised that I would use this, because honestly I was talking to my parents about it and they weren't too sure about it, especially since I'm so young still. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review. I do have one thing to tell you guys. I will be keeping you guys updated. I will make another video separate of this review where I every Friday I take a picture of myself and tell you guys about how I felt this week till the remainder of the month, or till the 30 days are over, and that's when the trial period is over. And sorry for not uploading lately. I've been too busy with some stuff, but the videos will be coming back. See you, ladies and gents, later.